here's my interpretation of the fink speed wagon. Basically lost the fenders, the hood, widened up the rear end on it, channeled it, got it down real low. Just kind of the thing I'm into. There's the Peterbilt. Obviously I like to do stuff low. Let's see if I can turn this around here. The other side, even though pretty much the same thing, but you get to see the engine. And get a shot of the interior in there. I had to chop that up a little bit too. Lower the bucket. Later on this week I'm going to get started on another truck. I'm going to do a Chevy pickup. And it's sitting over there. I bought the two models that I needed to do what I'm going to do. Opened them up and realized that that tow truck there is probably not worth the money. Pretty much it's got a engine in it that isn't really so much of a engine. It's molded into the chassis. Not real happy about that, especially since they charge, twice as much for these things anymore. But the orange snowplow truck though, it's a pretty good model. I've opened it up and it tends to look the way I thought it would. So, but I needed these two trucks to do my next project and get onto that this week, hopefully. So, trying to finish up a car with my son. Got it going over here. Just painted it. So you can see that paint. 64 Impala lowrider he wanted to do. Trying to get a shot of that paint. This is base coat clear coat. I do everything base clear. Oh, you can see me in there. It's not too bad. So, got a couple things going on to get that truck done. Get going on that stuff. So let me know what you think.